In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set an out of office on Microsoft Teams. If you're stepping away for a vacation, a conference, or simply need focused time, setting an out of office note in Teams helps teammates know when you're unavailable and how best to reach your team while you're gone. We'll use the built-in status message so your note appears right where colleagues look for it. Start by opening Microsoft Teams on your desktop or in a web browser and sign in to your work account. Once Teams loads, look to the top right corner of the window. You'll see your profile picture or your initials in a small circle. Click that to open your account menu. From the menu, select Set Status Message. This opens a text box where you can type the message people will see when they view your profile or start a chat with you. Keep it short but informative. A clear message might include the dates you'll be away, when you expect to return, and who to contact in your absence. For example, you could write, "I'm out of office until Monday with limited access to messages. For urgent matters, please reach the support channel." You can also add your time zone if your team is spread across regions and a brief note on response expectations, like, "I'll reply when I'm back." Be mindful of what you share here. This message is visible to people in your organization, so avoid including sensitive information like personal phone numbers or private details. If your company uses channels or shared mailboxes for escalations, pointing to those is often the safest and most helpful option. After you've typed your message and you're happy with the wording, click Done to save it. Your status message is now active. When colleagues open a chat with you or hover over your name, they'll see your out-of-office note and can plan accordingly. This helps reduce missed connections and makes it clear who can help while you're away. A quick note on expectations. This status message is specific to Microsoft Teams. It doesn't automatically turn on email auto replies. If your organization also relies on Outlook or another email client, consider mirroring the same text there so your communication is consistent across tools. When you're back, remember to update your status so teammates know you're available again. That way, your presence in Teams reflects your real availability and keeps collaboration smooth. That's it. You've set your out-of-office message in Microsoft Teams quickly and confidently. Thanks for watching and have a productive day or a restful away.